I have another box for, oh God, what month is it? Oh God. April? It's April. Oh, when I get old, it's gonna suck. Okay, so I haven't looked in here, so I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys are. This is Baby Girl, this is Ruby. If you watch me sometimes, you might know that. If you don't, you should subscribe and watch me do this sometimes. Cha-cha-cha! Okay, the first thing I'm seeing up front is a cheeseburger. Hey, watch out. So, it's got Velcro bits, and you can remove the bun from the other things. Ruby, come here. You can have the Velcro bit, and the bun has a squeaker, and it's embroidered on the top with Velcro inside. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be giving that to them as 3 separate toys, or if it's supposed to be one toy. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my life in general. I can't get it. I really feel the need to take this thing off. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Sheer force of will. No, I got this. I don't need your knife. I don't need your help. I don't need a man to help me. Although, your help is appreciated. Thank you. Aw, Booger. And then we have a baseball bat. Ah. And the handle. Is that what that's called? That's a handle of a baseball bat? Has that sound making thing, and it's made with a like heavy duty stuffs. And I think, yeah, inside has one of those jumbo squeakers that has like the plastic bag with the squeaker on the end that has cotton in it. Maybe we should start doing toys last and do treats first. Guys, enjoy it a little less, please. So, baseball themed is what I'm getting from this. Here's a baseball mitt. It feels like leather. Feels like real leather. This is the Yogi Barka mitt. Oh. And it's kind of, it's got that crinkle paper inside, and it's kind of like a leathery suede type feeling. And it's got a jumbo squeaker inside of it. It doesn't feel stuffed, like, whatsoever. Well, that's not quite right. It's got a tiny bit of stuffing over here, and then it's got a plastic jumbo squeaker right there. And then in the little, there's like a little handhold where it's fuzzy. Yeah! You may give me the toy, mother. Barkville Slugger was... That's the mitt. The Slugger. This is the Extra Toy Club toy. Oh yeah. And then we have Thinker's Duck dog treats. Play-Doh Pet Treats duck single. It's a piece of duck jerky. Duck jerky. You can't see it? Oh, okay. That's my dad's hand. Dad hand. Internet, say hi to dad hand. And then NYC Bucci's Bakery Sliders, dog biscuits with cheese, beef, and carrots. All natural, wheat-free, extra tasty. Extra tasty. And let's open these. Yeah! Sparta! And immediately gives no craps about the squeaker toy. Hold up. I'm gonna enjoy the toy later. I've got food in front of me right now. They're little, I would say it's a heart, but I don't know if it was supposed to be baseball themed. I don't know. Oh. And she likes them! You're so classy, Booger. Ruru! Good girl. Can I get you to sit? Ruby, sit. Good girl. Your face is too close to things. Oh, this one actually is baseball themed. So this one's a little soft chew, and it's got a little baseball on it with its little baseball stuff. She thinks I'm gonna drop it again. She might be right. Ruby, come here. Okay, so these are grain-free, triple cheese baseball treats. Soft and chewy dog snacks. I already gave you one. It's called House of Pups brand. Look, he's a little superhero. Look at him with his little face. And then there's a little dog on the back that really likes his baseball. Okay, so I did not read this. Okay, so it's a little like photo booth thing where you're supposed to tear this part out, and I'm supposed to punch me out, hold up card, position dog's face in hole, post picture, hashtag bark ball. Nailed it. Is that better? Is that better? Position. Did she look super cute yet? Did she look like a baseball player? Oh, I'm so proud of you. Yes, I'm so proud of you. Okay, don't do that to my face. Although I would make an awesome baseball player. I actually wouldn't. I'm terrible at sports. Stop doing that. Anyway, so that was BarkBox. Oh yeah, not sure if you care, but there was also super cute wrapping paper that had a bunch of dogs doing baseball stuff. She still thinks I'm gonna drop something. She's so sure that I'm gonna drop stuff. So if you want to get a BarkBox of your own, you can use my promo code below, and I don't know what you get, but you get something, a percentage off, I think. Yeah, and whoa. And you should subscribe, and you should like, and you should comment. You should let me know that you're watching, because I kind of just assume that any views are me viewing it myself. Like a weirdo. I'm creeping on my own YouTube account. Thanks, love you, bye! Yeah, get that.